And guys,
Hey
if we're far
guys,
away from each other,
welcome back to another video. Bro, can you shut the hell up? Today we're making a video, guys, with my friends, and we got the brainless one over there, that one over there, the brainless one. Then we got my little stinky poo poo head friend over here. You know, he's very smart, guys.
What is life?
Yo, what the hell? Alright, bro. No, nah, bro. No, no. Yo, Asian Q over there, back there. I don't know if he's Asian's gonna do. So, yeah. He's doing buying some suspicious things right now.
You can have it.
Alright. Let me go use it on actual chicken.
Grenade.
Nah, I'm good.
No, I'll do it.
You're scary.
Oh, got another grenade. Grenade.
Alright, there you go. Alright, we're chilling.
Oh my god, bro. Hell, fuck, man. Get your ass on.
Bro, I'm so close from dying, bro. From y'all hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Bro, do not hit me, bro. I will actually lose everything I have, bro.
That was on me, though. That was on me.
Yeah, that's all I need.
What is that?
I swear that's all I need. Alright. Another run done with this. Let me see what I even got. I just killed. Where are you at? Hey, this one. It's mine. Hey, leave it alone. Alright, bro.
Let's get back.
Yo.
Don't sell yet.
Yeah, that's basically all your loot. All that for 1,000? That's not worth it. You guys are... Yo, watch out. Why'd you use it?
Watch out for the ogre, by the way. Around this area.
Or I need to watch out.
Ogre!
Oh, he was... Help me! Bro, I just died. Me and my monk are just chilling in the room.
I wonder what they're gonna do alone.
Wait, what? Yo. I swear I didn't do anything. I swear. I totally didn't
Give me the
steal,
money!
39 V-Buck cards from Walmart, bro. I swear.
Oh, okay. La.
Chicken, I give them out for 2 kids. For free.
I love shotguns.
Alright, bro.
I don't know what kind, but
Let's see. I got an umbrella.
You got an extra bag?
I don't know where my umbrella went, bro. Nah, bro. That's completely gone, bro. That is completely gone. Alright, let's go. Alright, bro, we gotta be careful, bro.
Asian Q, clean your butt, bro. You need that toilet paper, I think.
Bro.
Hey, man. No, I don't. What is that?
Oh, God!
Yo, don't get that. Yo!
Ain't no party, then a dirty party. Ain't no party, then a dirty party. What?
Me.
Alright, let's go. Yo, bro, how did I die? She was stunned! Nah, bro, this is some BS game, bro. Alright, we're going back to Mimic Cave again. Oh. Alright, my friend got to go,
Wait,
but
what?
oh my.
Wait, who has to go?
Luis has to go.
Oh.
Alright, so we're doing fun right now. I'm gonna get this umbrella because I'm really good with it. Guys, what am I hearing? Asian, look, up here. Boy, you're hurt.
Oh yeah. What the? What is that?
Take it against me. Pick up the answer.
Yeah. What is that?
Don't take it. Alright, we're doing one more run of this Animal Company, and yeah. And this is the specials. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys like my new short, the Jim, the first episode. It's like a little short, but just Jim, and that's it. You know, he is the creator of Jim. You know, I am the.
Sorry about that.
So this is the creator of Jim, the voice actor basically. I am the father of Jim, you know, the owner. And yes, he's very weird. He's very weird, you know, just very weird, you know. And this is the specials for you guys, so you know, because we got like 30 views, which is not bad. And yeah, hope you guys like it. Grandpa.
I bet. Hold up.
What you doing?
Put my stuff down.
Man, freak that. Yo, what you talking about? Yo, I swear.
Where's my bag at?
I swear, bro, I didn't go to the Diddy party, I swear.
Where's the bag?
I don't have it, I swear. Wait, what you mean the bag? So you talking about the Diddy party?
I'm not no Diddy party. My bag.
I don't got it, I swear.
Better tell me where it is before I blow your face off.
It's over there.
Huh?
It was over there. I swear.
Alright.
Stupid idiot. He'll never find a chat. I have his bag. Let's see what he had in here. Sick. Yo, what? Yo, chat. Yo, I swear this is in your bag. You ain't gonna do anything. You're not gonna kill me. Do it, I dare you. I got your bag, yeah. I got your bag. Yo, what? Give me that. What you gonna do? Yo, I don't know. I stole his bag, bro. After killing him. What is he doing? Hi! Yo, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? Yeah, stay down.